So here we have our brand new sneaker range. With this particular set you've got here of these 5 kits, this is cleaning and protection. This particular kit here is the sneaker cleaning kit. This particular kit here is the sneaker protect. This kit is actually the sneaker protect and clean all in one. So with this particular kit, it's got the cleaner and protector in here. With this one here, this is designed for canvas. This is the sneaker canvas cleaning and protection kit. So if you have any sort of like Converse or Vans or anything like that which are canvas, this is an ideal kit for doing that. And this particular one here is for your suede and nubuck. That is a cleaner and a protector in that kit as well. That is our 5 sneaker cleaning and protection kits from LRC. So here we have the sneaker accessory kit to complement your clean and protect kits. With this particular kit, you will actually get a suede and nubuck brush. You will get a Tampico brush. You will also get a bamboo pad and a bamboo cleaning cloth. It is a fantastic little kit to go with your sneaker cleaning range kits. That is the sneaker accessory kit. So here we have our 4 different kits for colouring your sneakers from canvas to pigmented to suede and nubuck. This particular kit here is for customising your sneakers. So with this kit, if you wish to put any sort of fancy designs, draw faces or any type of artwork on your sneakers, this is the sneaker customising kit, which is what you would need. If you are just colouring a pair of sneakers or restoring the colour from scuffs and scrapes, you would need the sneaker painting kit to do that. If you are looking at doing your canvas shoes or your canvas sneakers, this is the kit that you would need. This is your canvas painting kit. This will paint the canvas. You will also be able to paint on their designs as well as just recolouring the shoes completely or your sneakers. With this kit here, this is your suede and nubuck day kit. That will enable you to actually recolour your suede or nubuck sneakers or shoes. It is a fantastic kit for doing that. That is the 4 colouring kits from the Leather Repair Company's sneaker range.